Question 3. Every month, Eric receives sources of income from his fixed salary as a sales officer, house rental, and online sales. His total monthly income is 20,000 ringgit. If 500 ringgit is added to his monthly salary, it will be twice the total income from house rental and online sales. The total monthly salary and online sales income is twice the house rental income. How much does Eric receive from each source of income every month? We are told that Eric has 3 sources of income. That is, the income from his fixed salary as a sales officer, house rental, and also online sales. And the total income is 20,000 ringgit. The variable for this question are the money he received from each source of income every month. Before we can form the system of linear equations, we need to assign the variables first. We let P equals to Eric's fixed salary as a sales officer, Q equals to Eric's income from house rental, and R equals to Eric's income from online sales. From the second sentence, we know that his total monthly income is 20,000 ringgit. Hence, P plus Q plus R is equal to 20,000. We let it be equation 1. Then, from the third sentence, we also know that if 500 ringgit is added to his monthly salary, here refers to his fixed salary as a sales officer, then it will be twice the total income from his house rental and online sales. Therefore, if we add 500 ringgit to his fixed salary P, it will become 2 times the Q plus R. We expand the bracket and rearrange it at the same time. All the terms with unknown, we put it on the left side and constant on the right side. We will get P minus 2Q minus 2R is equal to negative 500. We let it be equation 2. Then the total monthly salary here refers to the fixed salary P, and the online sales R is twice the house rental income Q. Hence we get P plus R is 2 times the Q. Again, the same thing, we rearrange it. P minus 2Q plus R is equal to 0. This is our equation 3. Let's observe our equations. All the coefficients for variable P are the same. Equation 2 and equation 3 have the same Q coefficient, which is 2, and equation 1 and 3 have the same coefficient for R. Since our equation 2 and 3 have the same coefficient for both variables P and Q, by performing elimination method, we can obtain the value for variable R straight away. Hence, to eliminate both variables P and Q, we minus the equations. Equation 2 minus equation 3. P minus P minus 2Q minus negative 2Q minus 2R minus R is equal to negative 500 minus 0. Negative and negative, we get a positive. P minus P is gone. Minus 2Q plus 2Q is gone. So we are left with negative 3r is equal to negative 500. We divide both sides by negative 3. R is equal to negative 500 divided by negative 3. Hence, our R is 500 over 3. You can also write it in decimal, 166.67. We can eliminate the variable p by subtracting equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. P minus P plus Q minus negative 2Q plus R minus negative 2R is equal to 20,000 minus negative 500. We simplify the equation. Negative and negative is a positive. Same for here and here. P minus P is gone. Q plus 2Q, we get 3Q. Plus R plus 2R, we get plus 3R. Is equal to 20,500. We let it be equation 4. We already obtained our R value, so we can substitute our R value into equation 4 to obtain our Q. Substitute R equal to 500 over 3 into equation 4. Three Q plus 3 multiplied with 500 over 3 is equal to 20,500. We simplify the equation. 3Q plus 500 is equal to 20,500. 3Q is equal to 20,500 minus 500, which is 20,000. Then we divide both sides by 3. Q is equal to 20,000 over 3, or 6,666.67. We already obtained the values for R and Q. What we need to do now is, we substitute both values into either equation 1, 2, or 3 to obtain our value for P. Here I will choose equation 1. Substitute R equals to 500 over 3 and Q equals to 20,000 over 3 into equation 1. P plus Q, Q is 20,000 over 3, plus R, 500 over 3 is equal to 20,000. We move all the constant to the right side. P is equal to 20,000 minus 20,000 over 3 minus 500 over 3, which is equal to 60,000 minus 20,000 minus 500 over 3. And we get P is equal to 39,500 over 3, or 13,166.67. Hence, we can conclude that Eric's fixed monthly salary as a sales officer is 13,166.67 ringgit. His income from house rental is 6,666.67 ringgit. And his income from online sales is 166.67 ringgit. So that's the end for this tutorial. Hope it helps you in your study. In the next video, we will start a new subtopic, simultaneous equation. See you again in the next video.